Suzhou Pharma Machinery once again successfully dispatched a batch of cleanroom products. With our rich project experience and technical strength, we have provided over 500 cleanroom turnkey projects for global customers and continue to offer installation and commissioning support for overseas projects. Suzhou Pharma Machinery has been deeply engaged in the field of clean project for many years. By leveraging customized design and other advantages, we provide customers with a one-stop service covering design, manufacturing, installation and commissioning. Our cleanroom projects have been widely applied in global pharmaceutical factories, laboratories and food processing plants, helping customers achieve a comprehensive upgrade of their production environment. Whether you need standard models or customized ones, Suzhou Pharma can tailor-make efficient and safe cleanroom solutions for you.